way to speed metal. It looked dope. I was barely able to get off work in time. There's 3 hours left, roughly around there. It's at 11, I was told. It's 8 o'clock. Got a 20-minute drive. I'm in the 240. Unfortunately, not driving in the event. It looked dope, but imagine if you hear that exhaust thing, it's bad. There's a hole in the exhaust. A whole entire hole. That's a lot of holes, I'm saying. But anyways, let's get it. Go over here. Look at that rear wheel spark. Look at the tires. I really wish I was driving this event. This layout looks so. We got a bunch of other homies here that I know too. Oh my, sick. I was told that the asphalt's chewing the tires, so that's the downside. But oh my, like look at that entry. Look at this. This looks hype. Oh, that looks so much fun. The arrow pile, the graveyard. Oh shoot, he's seen better days. I might be driving low key. Asking the host right now. I ain't got tires, but gonna ride along.
I think we lost our.
I'm going. Let's go. Alright, we got some drive up tires, we got some laps in. I just asked one of the friends here, Kiat, on Instagram if I could borrow her wheels on the way home because she's the only person here with full luggage. So let's go. I got like 6 laps and 35 laps. This day had so much fun, but it kills those tires. Like, I'm gonna try to get someone to do it right along so I can get some recording, but it's not looking great. Get it. No wonder why I felt like I was on skates. This looks fucking good. Look at this. Oh gosh. This side's okay. car show tomorrow I'm supposed to go to. I never had 2 blowouts. It's hard to see, but bro, I couldn't find my 21 or 27, 19 anywhere. But look at this. I was able to borrow some, but we got the spaghetti. We got a lot of spaghetti. Oh my, it's gonna take a minute. Oh, I think I got it. Oh man. Well, that's 1. That's 2. Good to go. Let's see. Kind of scared of that fender fitment. Oh. 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 I don't think I could run that low key. That's gonna rub so bad. Yeah, it won't fit, so I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna raise the vehicle a little bit. Alright, let's see it. Still more. Still need to go a lot more. Alright, this is like, I don't even know what try this is now. Please stop. What the hell, that is close. Alright, this still's in it, I don't know what to say. Just raise it like another inch. Stop going down now. That's good enough. Alright, we got both sides done. This side's way higher, but I don't really care. That's plenty. If it keeps rubbing on the way home, I'm gonna stiffen it, but oh my gosh, huge thank you to PS Chevelle 19 or PS13 Chevelle. I think it's PS13 Chevelle on Instagram. He came in clutch with the wheels and Kia KYYAT on Instagram. Huge clutch. I could not have driven the event at all if it weren't for them coming in clutch, or just got stuck here and wait till tomorrow. Luckily it's a camping event, 2-day event, but also just realized it's looking impressive, the amount of wire. Alright, we're like really close to hitting, so I'm gonna stiffen the coilovers as much as I can. Now that the suspension's settled, yeah, it's a tight fit. So we are gonna tighten the coilovers real quick. Do a little check, make sure the wheels are. Yeah, that's better. Alright, this setup ain't perfect, but it will work, obviously. It's tightest as a stiff, that's what I meant when I was saying tight. That's stiff as it can go. But if you guys like today's video, like and subscribe. Really short. I don't know if I got 5 minutes of footage, low key. I didn't plan to drift that event. I didn't plan to go to this event. I happened to be working in Apple Valley today, and I was like, you know what event's going on that sounds really cool that I wish I was driving at around the corner, and I happened to drive my car to work. Speed battle. And well, I went. Met a bunch of my friends. So, pretty cool. No tandems, it was only like 10 laps, but that layout was so much fun. So much fun. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. And yeah. That's why you bring spare tires everywhere you go when you have a drift car. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Oh gosh. We're making it. We're gonna make it one exit away. Yeah, good. Oh, it's tearing apart. I hear it. Oh, I DP'd it on the way home. I checked it out. I put one of my old wheels on it, and we're just doing anything to make it home at this rate. I'm one exit away. I'm driving like 40 miles an hour if you're lucky. not take your car to your drift car to spectate and drift event. Bad things happen. When we made it home, that's that situation. We drove home on that one. Didn't really damage anything though. So on the road wise, just a little scuff mark there. So my driveway's good. Asphalt's still how you're doing, but ain't too bad.